In this video, I will show you how to add payment method on Facebook ad account.
First, log into your Facebook account.
Then click Ads Manager.
Now click All Tools. Now click Business Settings.
Now select your business account where you want to add payment method. Now scroll down and click Billing and Payments. Now click Add Payment Method.
Here you can pay in 3 ways: debit or credit, or PayPal, or online banking. As I want to pay by debit card, so I am selecting first option.
And click Next. Now enter your card details. Here, enter your name. Now enter your card number. Now enter month and year and enter CVV number. Now click Save.
Now your card is added. If you have any question or need any help, please contact with us.